Want to see how I made this beautiful necklace? Stick around till the end of the video and you'll be able to make one too. First things first, pick your fabric. I've got a ton of prints, so choosing just one was not easy. But I finally made up my mind and went with a green one that has a cute retro vibe. Here, I'm showing you how I made my perfect circles. I just grabbed something with a round base and traced around it. Super simple. I made 3 circles, each a different size. Once I had my paper patterns, I laid them on my fabric and cut them out, leaving about ½ centimeter for seam allowance. I did the same with some felt, but this time skipped the seam allowance. Then I stitched the fabric to the felt using just a needle and thread. Nothing fancy. I even added a few decorative stitches with regular thread, no embroidery floss, just whatever I had lying around. And honestly, that's more than enough sometimes. As you can see, I layered another piece of fabric on top of each circle. I cannot resist adding beads to my projects, and this one's no exception. So, here I am, bringing pink beads to the party. I ended up placing the smallest circle on top of the biggest one. No real reason, just playing around with the look. Then it was time to finish the back of the circles, so I went back to my main fabric and felt, but this time in blue. But honestly, that doesn't matter because it'll all be hidden in the end. Next, I stitched the front and back sides of the circles together, again, just sewing by hand. And of course, one more layer of beads is always a good idea, right? This time, I went with yellow to add a bit of color and texture. I also used the same yellow beads to make the chain part of the necklace. And that's it. What do you think? Would you wear something like this? If not, what would you change? Let me know. And don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more of these little creations.